Hey everyone, welcome back to Toyota Duo. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on or off the automatic high beams on your 5th generation Toyota Prius. Now this is going to be standard across the board, so from LE all the way up to limited, you're going to be able to use this feature. Now I've got 25 XLE all-wheel drive to show you and to demonstrate. But let's hop in. Now the reason why it's going to be applicable to all is because it's part of your Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which is standard. Alright, so now that we've hopped in, I'm going to show you what buttons and controls we're actually going to be using. In fact, to demonstrate it, I'm going to turn on the headlights all the way. That's how you can see it during the daytime. But in between the door and the steering wheel, so you know where your headlights are, you'll see this row of buttons right down here. Now this row, you're actually going to want to press this. So this here, oh wait, no, camera's doing its own thing. We're going to zoom in a little bit. This button here is your automatic high beams. So if I press that, green light means it's on, no light means it's off. So to demonstrate that up here, again, your headlights do have to be on to see this change, so make sure that either it's dark outside or you've turned the headlights all the way forward so you can see how this works. But on the right side of the dash here, if I press that button, you'll see headlights are on. That's what that little green light is. But if I turn the auto high beams on, now you can see that that little A is on. It's the same exact picture as the button that we just pressed. That's your automatic high beams. Now the way this works is if you just have your headlights in a neutral position, so instead of pushing it forward to do the brights, keep it in a neutral position here. If you're driving over 21 miles an hour and there's nobody in front of you, as well as it's dark outside, headlights are already on, your brights will turn on automatically by themselves. And then once you get behind somebody or somebody comes from the other direction, your brights will turn down all by themselves and just go exclusive to your low beams. Now for Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, it's in the neutral position where it's going to be functioning. Back in the day, especially if you had a 5th generation 4Runner, you'd have to push it forward. But now if you push it forward, you can see that your brights have turned on. It's a little bit hard to see that. There we go. But you can see brights are on. And then you can still flash by pulling it back and forth like this. So, but yeah, that's a quick how-to on how to turn on or off your automatic high beams, as well as kind of how they work. So, again, really appreciate you guys. If you have any questions or anything, drop them in the comments down below. And we look forward to helping you out in the next one. Thanks, and see you next time.